Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to present about web service project in that name is my calculator. My name is Nafarina binti Muhammad Zalani, number matric CI 230087 in a subject BIW 20404 web service technology. This presentation include WSDL, SOAP request and response. Next is overview my calculator web service. For overview, web service that perform basic arithmetic operation, which is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Purpose of the presentation is to demonstrate the WSDL file, SOP request, and responses for the my calculator service. Web service code include Java class name is a my server calculate and include operation have a four operation add sub and a multiple and division, and in operation you have a parameter which is s and y. So annotated with alias web service, each arithmetic operation is defined as a method annotated with alias web method. Alah, aku tak record ke? Next. Okay, next is what is a WSDL file? WSDL file stand for Web Service Description Language. Include XML document that describe what the service does, where the service is located, and how to call the service, which is parameter or responses. And next, why do we need a WSDL? The why do we need WSDL is allow client to interact with a server with web service without viewing code, and can generate clients stop automatic, automatically and act as a service contract or demonstration. So WSDL component is type, message, port type, and binding and a service. For type is data type use. For example, integer, string, float, and others. Message that is structure of a request and response. For port type available to operation, binding there that is communication protocol solve. And last but not least, a service. Service is a service endpoint URL. So next. So sample WSL at operation that I will show last in the presentation. So we show WSDL's snippet for add operation and highlight message operation binding and service. Next, request sub request. So add 45 plus 5. So that is a code sub request, and next D is a sub responses. So that we are written sorry, for this part we should return a 550, not 8. Now, this is a mapping sub-element to WSDL. So, sub-element we have add and WSDL element we have operation name X. For this creation, this is operation name. So, SY is input parameter, and return for output value, and subbody for body content format. So this is sub and WSDN is the same function but different code. So last but not least, I will show demonstrate with Apache NetBeans and SOP UI. Assalamualaikum. And first, we run it at Apache NetBeans. So firstly, we should click here and run here, so that after we run, uh, the code will show the uh, build success, and output will uh, we the output will show to the right content. So next, we click here, web service. In folder web service have a my server calculator, my my server count. That is a name of a Java plus Java. So we test web service here, and after we click here, we will go to this output. We will show this output. So that this is the calling the output. So if we click WSDL5, this could show all operation in WSDL. So if we click here and we add here, and that is show just one method, that is method add method invocation. So this show method parameter, method return 45 plus 5 equal to 50, and that will show SOAP request and response request. Yes. So response request we have 550, and here we add input 45 and 5. So we sure in the here we show the sub this is the same, just a same our input, but what we see different software. So here we click here and we create a new sub project. So here my calculator, and here we paste the WSDL file before the I show. We copy this localhost, so we paste here and click OK, and then we okay, that project we create. So here have a add, so I click request Y, and that will show the code of a add method. So if this is request, so we run request, and that will show the response. So here we click here 45 plus 5 run, and that we show the what okay, we show the output. The response is 50. So it is easy to us if we want to use a one method only. If not, if the have the sub UI, we cannot we like what we can show one by one method only. That's all for me. Thank you. Okay, that's all. And last but not least, conclusion. WSTN and also SOAP are a call to web service. And next, microcontrollers show how a basic arithmetic can be exposed via web service. And lastly, the project cover coding, WSDL understanding, and SOAP messaging. And thank you. That's all for me.